Yeah! Hey guys, today's Academy here. Today we have this Disney Junior Minnie's Marvelous Microwave Set and Minnie's Scooter. Whoa! And this is also like remote control, but you use a watch. So you put on your wrist. And I already have a watch on. How cool! So I want to open this Marvelous Microwave Set first. It just seems like I want to eat food, but not right now. It's gonna be cool. So let's set her to the side and let's open this. Here we go. Here's the microwave. Wow. So let's look at this Marvelous Microwave. So as you can see, this is Minnie's microwave. So here's her picture and a bow. She loves bows, I guess. Really? And look, this is the microwave, and there's something inside. But look, open! So, wow, look at this. Let's take this out. A pretzel! She's microwaving a pretzel! Ooh, yummy. So, we will put the food here, and it'll like move around. So, let's turn this on. Okay, look at this! Oh, this is so exciting. I want to do like, here's the different foods. There is s'mores, a pretzel, which we already have. Waffles, popcorn, bacon, and like soup. Wow, amazing! Let's turn this. Like press this button here. It's moving!
Oh, the snacks are ready!
Snacks, yum! Now let's look at the food. Okay, so we already have the pretzel, but look, popcorn! A yellow bag with Minnie on it and popcorn in a bowl. So we can microwave this and it's gonna pop, pop, pop. We have soup. Soup. This looks yummy. Look at her. There's like always a picture on her foods. Next, look. This is a marshmallow shape as Mickey's head. Look at that. Whoa! And then we have chocolate, and it says Minnie. And 2 graham crackers. And that means we can make a s'more. So, look. Stack them all up. Ta-da! A s'more! Yay! And I want to microwave it. So all I want to do is like do this and not put the top on. Let's do that. Let's open it first. Let's put the graham cracker, the marshmallow, and the chocolate. Hopefully this stays on top of each other. And let's press the s'mores button.
I sure am hungry.
Okay, let's try to put that together again. I think it's okay if it falls off, but it might be hot. Okay, let's be careful this time. So we already pressed the button and press this so it can spin and it will microwave it. Is it falling out? It's staying! Yay!
What a wonderful smell!
Oh yeah, that smells good. I love s'mores. Be careful. Too bad there's like no plates, but it's fine! There we go! Yay! And here's the top. Minnie! Ta-da! Here's your s'mores snack. Yummy! Now I want to microwave the rest, so I love popcorn. So let's do popcorn. So here we go. If you like stand it up, I don't think it would fit. Oh, I don't know, but it's like really big, so let's see how this goes. Popcorn?
I love making healthy snacks.
Yeah! Here you go. Look at this! It's not going.
Time to enjoy our treat.
Yeah! So, popcorn that is popped already. Yum, yum, yum. Yay! Now let's do a pretzel. Yay! So let's open this. Here we go. Let's press the button.
Cooking together is so much fun.
Well, this is not really cooking, but it's microwaving. So here we go. Yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy. Yum, a pretzel. Yum. Now for last, we have soup. Yeah. Let's press that button.
I love making healthy snacks.
Yeah, this is actually kind of healthy. Look at that, it's the same color.
Ding! Time to eat.
Yep. Time to eat. Well, this can't open, but pretend, yeah. But now, we're done with this. But now we're gonna do the mini scooter. Now let's open this mini scooter. Woo! This can actually move, so I'm excited to do this. Woo! Let's take her out. With Figaro. Figaro's included. Yay! Let's take them out. Woo! This looks really fun to play with. And I'm excited. So here is the scooter with Minnie, of course, and Figaro. So there's like a little side and a seat for Figaro. Woohoo! And this will actually move. As you can see, this wheel will move. And there's a little wheel at this big wheel. And that will move too. Woo! Look at that. She has her helmet with a bow. So big. I love it. Look at this bow. And like the ears, and it's purple. Whoa, this is amazing. And let's look at this watch. Look at that. Whoa, she's here. Nice pose. And this is the buttons. This will like turn her around, and this will go like forward. Yeah. And look at that. I will put this on. So yay. I put the batteries in, and here is the watch. Wow. Mostly the remote control, but it looks like a watch. Look at that. And there's 2 buttons. Yay! Let's turn her on. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's do 4. It's so fast going forward. A wheel fell off the table. Woo! This marvelous microwave is so fun to play with. I mean, look at it. It's just like a microwave. Look at that! But it's Minnie's marvelous microwave. Look at that. And it has some food, but not real ones, plastic ones. Yay! And I really like this scooter. It's really fun and it goes really fast when you go forward. And I really like this remote control. It's amazing! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch it for more videos. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Yay!